Hello everyone, this is Andy here, and I wanted to show you a method that I've learned recently to check what websites have access to spending your coins from your MetaMask wallet. So this is as concerning as it sounds, and to be quite frank, I actually checked my own wallet and found that there's maybe 20 plus websites and deployed applications that can spend my coins. So today I'm going to show you to check whether this has been done to your MetaMask wallet as well, and most likely it has, and then how to actually revoke access from these applications. So first we're going to open up our MetaMask and log in. So I've already done this. And then next what we're going to do is go to the scanner associated to the network that you're in. So pretty much you can have different networks attached to your MetaMask, or you can connect your MetaMask to different networks. So as you can see here, I've got the Ethereum chain, the Phantom chain, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and you can add as many as you can to that. But we're going to start by displaying the Avalanche network, and we're going to go to the scanner associated with this network, which is actually Snowtrace. So we're going to click those three dots in the top right and then click View Account in Explorer. So this will be the same process with other networks. So for example, if you started in your Ethereum network on your MetaMask, it would take you to Etherscan, and the exact same method applies. So once we're on Snowtrace, we can click the More tab in the top right and the Token Approvals. Now this is where we're going to check what applications and websites have approval to spend our tokens. So we're going to click on our MetaMask again and copy our address and paste it in this search bar. So this will load, and you will see here the different types of contracts / applications that have access to spending an unlimited amount of your tokens. So for instance, we all remember the time debacle, and unfortunately this has been a nice reminder for me. The contract tied to Wonderland actually still has permission to spend any time I have left in my wallet. So if there was any code exploit or any fraudulent activity associated with this contract, I would essentially be at risk of losing all my time, in more ways than one, should I say. And this also applies to all of the contracts in this list. So you can see there's some what I would call quite legit ones. So, you've got your Trader Joe contract here. For me, I don't know if I'd concern myself with revoking access to this one just because I use it on a frequent basis. But I mean, scrolling down, there's some embarrassing contracts that have access to my coins, like some DAOs that I'm not too proud of that ended up rugging and this sort of thing. Now some of these still have access to some coins that they really shouldn't have. Things like the MIM that they could spend. What have we got here? The wrapped AVAX as well. I mean, this is just scary stuff if they can get a hold of those tokens. So how do we revoke their access? Well, we're going to click the Connect to Web3 button in the top left, and we're going to approve this connection to Snowtrace, and we're going to click Next and Connect. And then the last step's pretty simple. We want to find the ones that we want to disconnect to. So for instance, we're going to start with Wonderland Time. Oh, why isn't this connected properly? There we go. Okay, so now if it is highlighted blue, it should be connected properly. And then you just want to click this pencil app on the right here, pencil logo, and this will revoke this contract from spending the token address there. So whatever you found was under the approved amount, whatever token that was, you will now revoke access, and you can click revoke. Now this will require gas fees to put through this revoking transaction. So just be aware that it could be around 20-30 cents on AVAX. But it's up to you whether you think that would be worth it. I mean, to have some of these contracts still tied to my account's quite concerning. And if you feel the same way, then I think it's definitely worth going through this entire list and revoking these contracts from having access to your coins. So there you go. Like I said, you can repeat the exact same process in other chains, such as the Ethereum chain, by going back to your MetaMask and changing what mainnet that you're attached to. So this is Snowtrace isn't going to like that, but if I go to another website and change it to the Ethereum mainnet, I can click the three dots again and then click View Account on Etherscan. So this time it will be for the Ethereum network, and then again I click More Token Approvals, and I could repeat the exact same process here. So it's not just limited to the AVEX example that I used in this video, but I would recommend going through all the chains that your MetaMask's been connected to and ensure the safety of your account. So I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you hopefully get your account safer after watching this. So thank you for watching, guys.